Hi, I'm the Big Bad Wolf. And I want to tell you about the new Arbor Instant Video Doorbell.
Good morning, Wolf.
It's not only the most advanced video doorbell you can buy, it's also the simplest. Why get an Arbor Instant Video Doorbell? Because it lets you see who's at your door.
Hi, Wolf.
No matter where you are,
Hi, Wolf.
or what you're doing.
Package for Wolf.
No wiring, no special installation. All you have to do is attach the Arbor doorbell and download the Arbor app.
Plus, it's a super sensitive motion detector, a super good security camera, and in the unlikely event of an emergency, it also has a super loud alarm.
The Arbor Instant Video Doorbell. The world's most advanced video doorbell, and also the simplest.
All you need is a door,